Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Anika. Learn with Anika. Today I am going to be talking about the upcoming Karnataka elections. The election is going to be held on the 10th of May. It is about the state legislative assembly. What is a legislative assembly? It's not really that complicated. A legislation is the process of making laws, and an assembly is a group of people. So the legislative assembly is a group of people that makes laws for the state. In this election, a political party has to win 113 seats to be able to form the legislative assembly. But why 113? In Karnataka, 224 members form the legislative assembly. BJP, JDS and INC are the major political parties contesting for these elections. 224 members form the Legislative Assembly. The half of 224 is 112. So, a political party needs more than half to win the election. Hence, a political party needs at least 113 seats to be able to win the election. What if no party wins more than half? Let us take an example of three parties: Rose, Jasmine and Marigold. The Rose party wins 100 seats. The Jasmine party wins just 46 seats. And the Marigold party wins 78 seats. As you see, none of them have gotten the majority. So, the Rose and the Jasmine can have similar ideas and team up and form one party. The Jasmine and the Marigold can team up and form one party. The Rose and the Marigold can team up and form one party. In all the three cases, we get above the majority of the seats. So, any of them can be invited to form the government. When two or more parties come together to form one party, it is called a coalition government. They are called the members of the Legislative Assembly or the MLA. So what is our role in this election? All the citizens above the age of 18 should go and vote. And remember to take your voter ID card along with you. Now that the elections are over, we all wait for the results. The results are going to be announced on 13th May 2023 by the Election Commission. The MLAs work in the Vidhan Sabha. Their role is not to handle civic issues. Civic issues can be like waste management, drainage systems and so on. Their role is to make laws for the state. I hope that this video was informative and you all learned about the election. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.